Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the SQL exercises. So, I hope you guys are enjoying the SQL. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so let's continue. So, today we are going to discuss two problems. Okay, this is one and this is the second one. Okay, so in order to solve these two problems, I have created the tables. Okay, so don't worry, I will share this file. Okay, link will be in the description. Okay, so now let's start. So, let's talk about this problem. So we have to write a SQL query that displays order number, purchase amount, and the achieved and unachieved percentage for those orders that exceed 50% of the target value, that is 6,000. So before solving, first analyze the data. Like we have this order table, right? So we have order number, purchase amount, order date, customer, and salesman ID. Okay, okay, done. Now break it into small parts. Okay, what we have to display? We have to display the order number, we have to display purchase amount, achieved percentage, achieved and unachieved. So that will be purely based on the purchase amount with respect to the given target value, that is 6,000, right? So achieved percentage will be the purchase amount divided by the out of 6,000, so divided by 6,000. So we need to show in percentage, so multiplied by 100. Okay, and then what we have to show, then unachieved percentage. So again we have to subtract from 6,000. Okay, divided by 6,000, and then unachieved will be purchase amount. Out of 6,000 we have to subtract the purchase amount, right? So that is nothing but the unachieved purchase amount. So in order to get in percentage, again divided by 6,000 and then multiplied by 100. Okay, and then we have to filter it above 50%. So we have break that into small parts. So now let's solve. First, we need this columns, right? So order number, and then we want the purchase amount, comma, we want the achieved percentage. So this is nothing but the formula. A, we will use alias to name the column as achieved. Okay, and then what we want is unachieved percentage, right? Okay, so here again make sure to use the curly brace properly to get the exact result or exact value. So what we are doing, we are subtracting that from purchase amount divided by 6,000 and then multiplied by 100. Okay, fine. So we want these four columns from orders. Now we have to add the where filter, where we want the orders that exceed 50% of the target value. Okay, so we have to do is again, as this amount is, we are calculating in percent, so that is simple. So this is nothing but the where clause. Let's execute. So you can see there are only two orders that satisfies the given condition. Okay, simple. Oh, here I forgot to give the column name, unachieved. So now, so perfect. We are getting two orders. Okay, so this was the query for this problem. Okay, I will share the file link in the description. You can refer, right? So moving towards the next problem. So again, from the following table, write a SQL query to determine the number of customers who received at least one grade for their activity. So again, let's analyze the customer table first. We have this is customer table. Oh, so this is the customer table. Okay, we have customer ID, customer name, city, grade, and sales ID. So as you can see here, one of the customer have no grade. or the grade value is null. Okay, but what we have to do here, we have to again now break it into small parts. We have to count the number of customers, okay, on the basis of grade, but in that also we should have at least, okay, at least one grade, or we can say indirectly, the grade should not be null, right? At least one grade. So simple. To count the number of customers, we have the count function, right? Simply, we can use the count function. Okay, simple. But now I am using here all keyword. Why? Because what this all will do, it will eliminate the null values. Okay, so we are using the all keyword inside the count function. Okay, so we want to count the number of customers on the basis of grade, so I'm mentioning here the grade column. So as you can see, out of 8 there are only 7 columns, okay, which is satisfying the given condition. Okay, so I hope you guys are getting. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Okay, hit the like, share and subscribe button, guys, if you are enjoying the sequel. In the next video, we will try to solve more problems. We will move forward one by one. We'll cover the topics as well as problems. So, see you guys on the next video. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.